Alright, I'm back in my studio and I'm going to try to do as much as I can today, but I've got a visiting nurse coming. They'll be coming to me. I got a therapist and a nurse who are both going to be coming once a week to visit me and check me out and keep me in shape and all that stuff. I've got an appointment on Thursday in Bozeman, so I'm going to do as much as I can this week. And try to get some sculpting done. I got my heater, which is turning on right now, in the background. I'm gonna have to live with that sound only because, well, it's darn cold outside. Yeah, wind chill 16 degrees outside. All right, I'm gonna get busy and quit yapping. Well, the clay hasn't changed a lot. I'm gonna work on this side, on the dress here, and try to get that as far along as I can. First thing I'm going to do is fleshing in this blanket. Hard to get back into the swing of things. I realized that my blanket, the bottom edge of it, ended right at the bottom edge of the other blanket, so I knew I had to make it longer just to make it different. This is the legging that is on her leg. Like I explained last week when I worked on it, it's to protect her legs from brush and stuff like that could scrape her legs. I just got a text from the nurse. She's on her way over. making the bottom of her dress. All right, the nurse just left, and it went well, and she was happy with everything. My blood pressure was good. My oxygen level was good. Everything seems to be doing good, and I'm just going to take it one day at a time now. And I got about a half hour before I have to quit sculpting and get upstairs to produce the video. But anyway. I'm going to have to lower the sculpting stand quite a bit, which means I'll have to take all these cutting boards off and move all my tools off my board. I think I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I guess I'll call it quits for tonight. I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Now I have a physical therapist coming tomorrow, probably about the same time, so I'll do as much as I can. All right, everybody. Good night. See you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.